Welcome to my channel. This is a dynamic clustered column chart. You can see the target versus actual. Here, this dotted line is indicating the achievement percentage of this target, and the red color is not achieved the target by this project, but the green color is more than the target level. Here we can filter the months. Each month we can see the target versus actual performance here, and this is sort in order. And quickly we will see this how to prepare this dynamic cluster column chart. This is the table of dataset, name, month, budget and actual. Here we will prepare the achievement. The achievement percentage is nothing but the actual divided by budget. Okay, apply to this all, and we will convert it to percentages. Okay, now we will select all the table and convert it to table. Control T. Now we will take the pivot table from this table. Okay, table range is this table 2. The month in the filter, name in the rows, and the budget actual and achievement percentage are in the values. Okay, we will remove the grand total. Achievement percentages. Okay, let's change this month to the custom. We need as month. We'll apply the comment. Now at the moment we will filter one of the month from here. This is name. Here we will take a table, name, achievement percentage, target, and we will take some reference. We will set a target here. Now we will take this using offset function. Offset reference as name, fix that cell, comma, draw from that reference first row, comma, the column is the same column, so 0, comma, height as using count function, this count, fix that. Okay, now we will write it down. Okay, now we will copy that formula and paste it here. Just only we are going to change the column. Achievement is from first, second, third column. Okay, percentage. Target is not only but this set a target. Just we'll fix that and apply to all row. Reference is using if function. If the achievement is greater than equal to target, comma, print the target or else achievement. Yes, we'll apply this to all percentages. The table is prepared for the cluster column chart. Now we will select these two, name and achievement. From the inside menu we will take the cluster column chart. Okay, we'll remove this title from chart elements and the grid lines. Now we are going to add additional data here. Add target, and add reference, and one more time add achievement and target. Now right click and in the same chart type, in the combo section we can see achievement, target and reference are clustered column chart, and achievement and target we added more time, set them up to line. Already did set it up to line. You can change it to line chart. Okay, done. You can see them, the data, achievement, target, reference should be in the order. Now select that format chart and series overlap to 100%. Yes, gap between we will change it to 120%. From the pivot table, right click and choose the sort smallest to largest. Now cut this and paste it into new sheet, rename it as chart. Now double click this y-axis, set it to 0 to 100, 0 to 1, 100%. Okay, now we will remove the y-axis. We'll change the color of this column. The target column, this color, red color. And this achievement color change to green. And the reference color change to blue. Now change this line chart as smooth line chart and the line 1.5 and dash type color. Okay, now we will add the data labels for the achievement percentage from data elements, data labels. Okay, select the data labels and send it above. Now we will format the chart shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. And we will set the background color as black and we will remove the grid lines from the view menu. Okay, now the chart is ready. We will add one more thing, selecting the pivot table, get the slicer for month. Cut this and paste it into this chart area. By clicking in the slicer setting, we can change display color off, hide items with no data. Okay, now we will change this modification. Now we will select this from customs. We can change the month. Each month we can see the target versus actual performance. See, this is fully dynamic cluster cluster. Finally, we will add the title.